Lawmakers in the Senate returned to plenary on Tuesday, and top on the agenda was the presidential request to approve the appointment of service chiefs and chief of defense staff forwarded to them 2 weeks ago. Although no specific date has been given yet, the Senate quickly resolved to entertain the service chiefs in the week. The screening will set up an engagement between the lawmakers and the top brass of Nigeria's security architecture on ways to stem the tides of insecurity in the country.
The Senate is invited to note the current security situation of our country, which requires concerted efforts of both the legislature and the executive to ensure a well-protected nation.
Ahead of that meeting, and to help Senate function more effectively, the Senate set up 8 standing committees, including the one on media and public affairs, chaired by Senator Yemi Adaramodu from Ekiti South. Others appointed include Senators Adiola Olamilekan, APC Ogun West, as Chairman, Senate Committee on Appropriation, Titus Zam, APC Benue Northwest, as Chairman, Senate on Rules and Business, Senator Sunday Karimi, APC Kogi West, as Chairman, Senate Services. In line with constitutional provision, the Committee on Public Accounts went to the opposition, with Senator Aliu Wadada from the Social Democratic Party SDP Nasarawa West picked as chairman ahead of any member from the main opposition, the People's Democratic Party PDP. The PDP was also overlooked for the chairmanship of the Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions. The position went to Senator Okechukwu Ezia of the Labour Party from Enugu East, while Senator Shehu Umar, APC Bauchi South, is Chairman, Senate Committee on National Security and Intelligence. For the remaining standing committees, Fabio asked senators to indicate their areas of interest and competence to enable him share the positions. Also on Tuesday, the Senate reached a resolution to probe the spending on fuel subsidy regime and asked the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited to come forward with explanations. The resolution followed a motion raised by Senator Chinwuba Ndubueze from Imo North.
Concerned that the federal government appropriated 1.42 trillion and 4.3 trillion naira for petrol subsidy in 2021 and 2022 respectively, while 3.6 trillion was appropriated for petrol subsidy for 6 months ending June 2023.
Also on Tuesday, the Senate moved to investigate the awards of contracts for the rehabilitation of Aba Osisioma to Port Harcourt, Umuahia, Ikot Ekpene and Aba Ikot Ekpene roads, following motion by Senator Darlington Nwokocha, Abia Central.
Urge the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing and the Federal Roads Maintenance Agency, FEMA, to urgently intervene and include the repair of failed portions of the roads, especially in Aba Osisioma to Port Harcourt Road, Umuahia Ikot Ekpene, and Aba to Ikot Ekpene axis in the planned nationwide federal roads repair during this rainy season as palliative measure.
Senator John plenary till Wednesday.